Come test drive the 2015 Volt. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, premium trim package, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.